All right, so we are in Blender, and this here is a human male model from our design. And as you can see, he looks challenged and he's ready to get in action. And anyways, before we review this animation, I've played it already. I would like to talk about the person who made it. Uh, Her name is Diana Ramos, and she's an intern here at Quasi Games, and she was part of Group One, and she's still in the servers, so that's why I'm saying she's an intern here. Anyways, her assignment, the part that she chose to work on was animation skills, and we try to prepare our interns for not just the work but also for uh, communication skills and whatnot. So we have uh, we have them do interview with either virtually or uh, asynchronously via recordings in a sense. And so Diana here is she already have the information. We're gonna listen to it, and also we're gonna play the animation. Since this was already pre-recorded, we're just gonna play the animation, and we can listen to Dana introduce herself and talk about what she learned, what was her challenges, and whatnot. Um, the recording is not in like it's not chronological in a sense, but the questions were given out, and I think if you listen carefully, you can understand like what the question would have been. Uh, so here's the animation for human sword slash, and it's fast, so we're gonna replay it multiple times. As you can see, the models themselves are very simple, and it's the rigging for them is also very simple. And for our riggers, we let them explore stuff like IK rigging and whatnot, so they can get on board and quickly start animating. And most of the resources, the cool thing about the internship is that we let you explore your own way of learning. We let you go by your own pace and whatnot. So most of the resources Diana used to make her animation was research by herself. She found her own way of doing stuff. She found the videos or articles or whatever that suited her way of learning, and that's how she was able to come up with this animation. And from the looks of it, I think she did a great job. And as you can see here, the model themselves look simple, but they are very descriptive. You can tell like the legs, arms, and whatnot. So anyways, thanks for watching. We're gonna switch it over now to Diana.
Hello, my name is Dinah Ramos. I attend Montclair State University and I just started my senior year. So I should be graduating next year in the spring, hopefully. Um, and classes just started this week, so I apologize for not being very available. Um, but yeah, I'm majoring in animation and VFX, and I chose animation because I always found that the process of the whole thing compared to the end product was so rewarding. So I really want to pursue that career in that field. Seems like a lot of fun. I think the most challenging part for me for the task was really just the in between poses. Um, and making sure that the whole animation was pretty smooth and concise. So I wanted to make sure that it looked pretty consistent throughout. So that was definitely a bit of a challenge for me. For Blender in general, I'm still fairly new at using Blender. I just started this year, so I'm I'm like really used to other programs for animating, but Blender so far seems pretty straightforward, especially with the resources that were posted and resources that I looked on my own. Made Blender pretty straightforward and a bit easier to grasp. I think I would say I've been animating for a year now, and I would be very open to staying and working on this project. It seems like lots of fun. I took a look at the models, and it just seems like a really cool idea, and really cool to be a part of. So yeah, thank you for the opportunity. Yeah.